Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video I'll show you how to install RedNote app on your phone. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type RedNote and hit the search icon. Make sure it's the correct app. Check the red icon or a specific logo. Now, tap the install button on the RedNote apps page. The app will begin downloading and installing, which may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, tap the open button to launch the RedNote app. And that is guys how you install RedNote app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.